Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing 4.5 for Advertising. This is chapter 2. In this chapter, let's talk about the role of IMC, Integrated Marketing Communications, in the marketing process. Okay, IMC in the marketing process. Okay, these are the learning objectives. Okay. And if we look at the marketing and promotions, this the model outlines the whole entire process. Okay, you start with the marketing strategy and analysis. Right, you have your strategy and your analysis, and then you choose your target market, called a target marketing process. And then you do your marketing planning and program development. You develop your program, marketing program, and then you engage in your promotions to the final buyer and to reach the target market. Okay. When you do the marketing strategy, you devise your strategy and do the analysis. You do your opportunity analysis, analyze to find out the opportunities out there. Right? Do your competitive analysis to analyze your competitors, the competitive environment. And then you do your target marketing. Find the target that you want to market to. Okay. In the target marketing process, you identify the markets you want to focus on, and then you segment the market. We call it market segmentation. Then you select your target market, which includes maybe one or more of the segments you identified. And then you set up your positioning strategy through your marketing strategies. Okay, set up your positioning, how you want to position your product. Okay, then in your marketing program development, you want to make decisions on your product, on your pricing, your channel of distribution. Of course, in this class we focus on the promotional decisions, which include advertising, direct marketing, interactive marketing, sales promotion, publicity and public relations, and personal selling that we talk about in the first chapter. Okay? And then you promote to your final buyer, right? Final buyer through digital or interactive media, or promotion to the trade, or promotion to the sales final buyer. And the ultimate buyer or the consumer, or which is your target market, could be consumers or could be businesses, right? And businesses are the ones that purchase and then sell to your resellers, and then the resellers sell to the consumers. Okay, so that's the whole marketing and promotion process model. Okay, so when you design your strategic marketing plan, you need to help with your allocation of your resources, company's resources. Helps identify the specific marketing programs and policies, guides you to that, and evolves from your overall corporate strategy. You have your overall corporate strategy, and then from that you devise your marketing strategy. Okay? It also allows for understanding of market opportunities, competition, and segments. Market segments. Okay, so what is market segment? Yeah. Target market that the company wishes to pursue, the ones you want to pursue. Okay, this is the market segment. This is your target market. Okay. Now, first, let's talk about opportunity analysis. Opportunity analysis. Opportunity analysis. In opportunity analysis, you want to look at the market opportunities. Those are the areas where there are favorable demand trends. The demand in consumer market, is favorable to you, right? And the customers' needs and opportunities are not being satisfied at this moment, right? Their needs and opportunity is not satisfied fully by what is offered in the market. So that's why you find an opportunity to step in. Okay? is something that a company can compete effectively, where you can compete effectively. Yeah. If you don't have an edge in pricing, quality, product offering, you probably don't want to go. Okay. The steps to identify market opportunities are: first, you examine the marketplace, and then you observe demand trends and competition in various market segments. Okay? You examine the marketplace, then you observe the demand trend in the competition. What does your competitor do in the market? Okay? Let's give you an example here. Milk processor education program. The dairy industry, they have this milk processor education program. They saw the growing demand for sports drinks, right? For sports drinks, and they seized the opportunity, seized on that the marketing opportunity, right? They use ad like this one, bounce back, right? This promotion suggests that the chocolate milk is a natural option for athletes to bounce back after a hard workout, right? After a hard workout, you want to bounce back. And instead of drinking the usual sports drinks, now they want you to drink chocolate milk. Okay? Then how do you analyze your competitors? Okay? Competitive analysis. You analyze competition in the marketplace and search for competitive advantage. Okay? This keyword here, competitive advantage, right? What is competitive advantage? That the attributes that give your company an edge over your competitors, where you do better than others. Okay, where you do better than others. Okay? Well, at this, I want you to think about this. You're a student at the University of South Carolina, Aiken. What do you think is the USC Aiken's competitive advantage? There are other schools, universities, colleges where you can that they are offering the college education, right? What does USC Aiken have? Just something for you to think about. Okay. Also, in your competitive advantage, quality products that command premium price. If you have a good quality, that's competitive advantage, because with that good quality, you can command premium price. Okay? If you have a superior customer service, great service, people all know that you have great service, that's your competitive advantage. You have lowest production costs and lower prices. It's cheap, right? That's an advantage, right? Or you have you can dominate the channel distribution. The channels can only carry your product, not others. Then you definitely have an advantage, right? You do well in advertising, that gives you a competitive advantage. Okay? These are the factors, attributes that give you an edge over others. That is, you have the competitive advantage. Okay? For example, this beverage, the drink, Sobe, I'm sure some of you may be drinking that or using that. There is a growth in the bottled water market, okay? And that trend pushed Sobe to offer different product varieties and create direct brand competition. What are the different ones? They came up with one with the different flavors, different like orange, strawberry, pina colada, etc., mango, etc., right? To compete in this bottled water industry. Competitive analysis, right? Competitive market is constantly changing. Keep in mind, right? It's competitive. Others are also trying to gain an advantage. So it's constantly changing. It's fierce competition out there, right? Brands don't adapt to market conditions. Right? There are brands that don't adapt, then you may be losing out, right? Once popular brands may have a comeback, right? Once popular, they're dead, they're off, they're on, they're gone, and may have a comeback, right? competitors' marketing programs affect your strategy. You have a great, effective strategy, to compete, to gain an advantage. Others may do something similar or even better than yours. Okay? Also, there is a growing number of foreign companies competing with domestic American products, American companies. Okay? Now let's talk about the target market selection. How do you select your target market? Yeah, how do you select your target market? The consumer segments that you want to serve, right? It's done after evaluating market opportunities and doing a competitive analysis, right? You evaluate marketing opportunities and do a competitor analysis, and then you choose your target segment, okay? You can select one or more target markets, okay? Young people, for example, or married with children, for example, or retirees, seniors, or maybe two or three of them. Okay? It can have direct implications on your firm's advertising and promotional efforts. Yeah, how you going to choose your target market? How you choose your target market affects how you're going to do your advertising and promotion. Right? Remember, you can advertise and promote to that segment. Right? If you want to reach the young audience versus to the seniors audience, you're going to use different ways to approach them. Okay? Strategies vary depending on the market approach. Okay? We have different strategies for different marketing approach. Okay? So the target marketing process is like this, right? You identify markets with unfulfilled needs. If there's unfulfilled needs you want to fulfill, you identify that market. Okay? Then you determine the market segmentation. Can this market be segmented into different segments, right? And then you select a market to target, maybe one segment, or maybe more than one, 2, 3, 4 segments to market. Right? Then you devise your positioning through marketing strategies. Okay, that's the whole targeting process. Okay? Let's talk about more about this targeting marketing process. Identifying markets. Right? Marketer identifies specific needs of group or people or segments. Okay? They select one or more of these segments as the target. Right? They isolate consumers with similar lifestyles, needs, and the like, right, into different groups. And they increase marketers' knowledge of consumers' specific requirements, so you know how to target them. Okay? Market segmentation. What's market segmentation? Now, this is going to be in your test, okay, in your first test coming up. Okay? Dividing a market into distinct groups with common needs, right, who respond similarly to a marketing situation, like an advertisement. Okay, again, what is market segmentation or segmentation? Dividing a market into distinct groups, smaller groups, right? We call it segments, and within each group, they have common needs, right? Who respond similarly to a marketing situation. They respond the same way to maybe advertisement, online advertisement, or billboards, and other ways of communication. Okay? But what are the bases for your segmentation? How do you divide the market into different segments, different distinct groups? You can do geographic. That's easy, straightforward, right? You divide the market on basis of region of the country, city size, metropolitan, large, small, medium cities, metropolitan areas. Right? We have the nearby one. We have Atlanta is the metropolitan area, okay? And or the population density. That's all geographic, right? You can do demographic, divide the market on basis of age, gender, sex, family size, and marital status. Married, unmarried, or single, right? Family size, family of 2, think double income with no kids, or large families. Gender, man or woman, male or female, or age, different age groups. Okay. Also, you can segment your market by a psychographic. Divide market on the basis of a personality. What kind of person? Yeah, is extroverted, introverted, or achievers, or strivers. Different type of personality. There are ways to measure that. Life cycles, life cycle stages, or just lifestyles. Lifestyles of people. Okay. You know this magazine, right? AARP, American Association of Retired People, retired persons. Okay? If you are over 50, they're gonna come after you. Okay, they're gonna find you. Okay, you get have a long time to go. All right. So this magazine for retired peoples, right? They target people 50 plus. So you're not gonna likely to receive the magazine offerings or anything. Okay, they target that segment. It continues to offer editions and is now available online. It's online, and this one here, the picture, and Tyler Perry, right? And obviously this one targets African American retirees or seniors. Okay. And market segmentation, you can also segment the market based on behavioristic segmentation. You divide consumers into groups according to the usage, right? Loyalties or buying responses to a product. Okay? Heavy users, medium users, rarely regularly using them, right? Loyalties. Are they brand loyal or not so loyal? Okay? Buying response to a product, right? Do they buy on impulse, or do they have to go through careful considerations? Right? There's an 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule in not just in marketing or business, but in virtually everywhere. Right? It's called the Pareto law. Pareto law. Okay? It says 20% of buyers account for 80% of sales volume. Think about that. Okay? 80% of your sales volume is actually realized through or by only 20% of total buyers. Okay, so you better treat that 20% of buyers very nicely, okay, because they contribute so much to your overall sales. Okay? You can also segment the market by benefit sought, okay? Benefit received. Grouping consumers on the basis of attributes sought in the product. Some people buy this product, for example, because of its functionalities, or some people buy it because of a psychological factor. They can use it to show off to other people by wearing that expensive watches or expensive dress, etc. Okay? And also this segment psychological factors. The process is a process of segmenting the market. Marketers determine as much as they can about the segment. Okay? There are companies offering research services to define markets and develop strategies targeting them. Okay? VOWS is one of them. PRISM is another system. Okay? You can check in the book and also online. Okay? Clusters consumer households into distinct micro geographic segments. You can use that to help you reach a micro geographic segment. Okay? This is the PRISM example. PRISM. PRISM. This is they have this segment, classification, market segmentation tools called the Claritas. Okay? They can segment profiles like this one to provide marketers with insights into consumer lifestyles, different lifestyles, like say, for example, household demographics, suburbans, and with the kids, homeowners, married, etc. Or by 8 different age groups, whatever you want. By income level, you can choose your segment. Okay? In selecting a target market, you want to determine how many segments to enter. Right? You can use undifferentiated marketing technique. Okay? You're offering just one product or service to the entire market. One product or one service to the entire market. It's called undifferentiated marketing. Okay? That's one way to enter the segment. Right? Or you can use differentiated marketing, because you develop separate marketing strategies for different segments. Okay? Different strategies for different segments. That's why it's called differentiated marketing. Okay? Or you can use concentrated marketing, attempting to capture a large share of one market segment. You focus on that segment. Concentrated marketing. Okay? Again, so the strategy you can have, so you can use undifferentiated, differentiated, or concentrated. Okay? Also, you determine which segments you offer potential. Okay? You want to select the most attractive segment through sales potential of segment. Okay? What is the sales potential of segment? Can you achieve a larger sales volume? Okay? Also, what about opportunities for growth? Is there growth potential for this segment? Okay? What about competitors? Is it very competitive, or is it not so strongly contested area? Okay? What about your ability to compete? If it's competitive, a lot of competitors, are you able to compete? Okay? Also, your ability to market to this group. Okay? Are you able to market to this group? Okay? Things you need to determine. Okay? Also, in the target marketing process, you want to consider market positioning. Market positioning, that is, fitting your product service to one or more segments of a broad market to set it meaningfully apart from competition. Okay? Fit your product service to one or more segments of broad market to set it meaningfully apart from competition. Okay? The different approaches. You can focus on the consumer. Linking product with the benefits consumers will derive. Okay? The consumers will derive benefits from that product. Right? That's one. Or focus on competition. Positioning product by comparing the benefits you offer to that of the competition. Okay? That show them that we offer something better, something that our competitors do not have. Okay? The different approaches. Okay? Also, you can do your positioning by product attributes and benefits. The attributes and benefits of the product. Yeah? You can set your brand apart from competitors on the basis of specific characteristic or benefits offered. Okay? Salient attributes. Okay? Salient attributes. These are the important things to the consumers and are the basis for making a purchase decision. Like this one here. Burt's Bees. They use the benefit positioning strategy, promoting itself as a safe, effective, and natural product. Right? Natural product. You can see that the safe, effective, natural. Okay? A mother with a child. Okay? Formulated without parabens, phthalates, or petrolatum, or SOS. I don't even know what that is. Unnatural. Okay? Unnatural. Okay? And you can position your product by price or quality. Okay? By price and quality. Yeah? Cost to the consumer is secondary to quality. Consumers want a quality product. They also want the cost competitive product. Right? They want to look at the money. Everyone want to look at the price. Right? Quality or value at a very competitive price. That's what we want. We want quality or value at a very competitive price. Okay? So you can use also positioning by use or application, the use of product and the application of product. You can use it to enter market or expand usage. You say we offer this usage or this application. You use that to enter the market or expand the usage so people will use the product and meet more different purposes, different usages, different applications. Therefore, they're going to buy more. Like this one here, Arm and Hammer, right? The baking soda. You'll probably see that a lot in your in your mom's kitchen, or in the refrigerator, right? And Arm & Hammer baking soda. They demonstrate numerous product usages, from baking to heartburn relief to eliminating odors, right? You can put that in the fridge to absorb, bad odors, or you use that to do cleaning, do laundry, deodorizing, you name it. Okay? One box, countless usages. Right? One box, countless usages. That's good approach, right? Good position. Okay? You can position by product class or also by product users. Okay? This advertisement is by California Avocado Commission. You can see it's a trade group and promoting avocados from California. Okay. In this ad, how does California Avocado Commission use positioning to effectively market California avocados? Okay. As I say here, ever wonder if California is the world's best place for growing avocados? Okay. And because they said they have this natural environment, okay, they can create, they can grow, harvest those nice kind of avocados, because they're the unique place, to produce them. Also, you can position by competitor or by cultural symbols. Okay? Makes a brand easily identifiable and differentiated from others. Okay, like this Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. Okay, the Tony the Tiger, right, has become a cultural symbol. Okay, every kid knows it. Every kid loves it. Right. Repositioning. Sometimes you have a positioning strategy, and then after some time, you want to reposition product. Okay, repositioning is altering a product's or brand's position due to maybe declining or stagnant sales, and anticipated opportunities in other market positions, and then you want to reposition. But it's difficult. It's difficult to accomplish because of entrenched perceptions and attitudes toward the product or brand. It's hard to change people's attitudes, right? Whatever attitude they had with your product or with your brand. Okay. Then let's talk about in developing marketing planning program, your product decisions, right? Product decisions, product symbolism, right? What does the product or brand mean to consumers? Some product means something to consumers, right? They have meanings in the mind of consumers. What consumers experience in purchasing and using the product, right? You use that product as a symbol, Okay? Also, product planning, design and quality, things that you need to consider. Service and warranties, you consider. Brand name and package design, all things you need to consider in your product planning. Okay. Branding. Okay. Brand builds and maintains brand awareness and interest. Builds, maintains brand awareness and interest. Okay. It develops and enhances attitude toward a company or product. Right? Branding also builds relationship between consumer and brands. You want the consumer and your brand to develop a relationship. become brand loyal. Okay, brand loyal. Two key concepts here. They're going to be in your test. Okay, I'm sure you know very well, understand very well. One is brand identity. Brand identity is a combination of name, logo, symbols, design, packaging, image, and associations held by consumers. Brand identity. And next one is brand equity. Brand equity, this term is used very often, quite often, right? It is the intangible asset of added value. The intangible asset of added value, just by the brand name itself, right? It gives itself equity, lots of values, Some of the name brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, or Apple, or Tesla, they all have huge amount of value just because of the brand equity, the brand name itself. Okay? Coca-Cola, for example. Okay? Rolex is another one. Okay? Rolex has built a strong brand equity through its favorable image in the industry. Okay? It commands a premium price based on this equity. How much would the Rolex cost you? At least $10,000, around $10,000 or more. Okay? And why does one candy command such a high price? Because of the brand name. Okay? Everyone knows Rolex. Okay? Packaging. Okay? Part of your product decisions is packaging decisions. Right? Packaging traditionally provided functional benefits only. Economy, protection, and storage. That's why you need the package, right? But the roles and functions have changed over the years. There's a self-service emphasis of many stores, and there's more buying decisions at the point of purchase. Because of that, marketers use packaging to communicate with consumers and create an impression of the brand. Okay, you use your packaging to communicate your message to the consumers. Right? And also to use the packaging to create an impression of the brand. A brand being of high quality, high prestige, etc. Okay? Like this example here. Do you have several cans of WD-40 at home? Okay? And there are uses. It says uses you did not know. Okay? You may not know the usage you could have. Okay? This ad for WD-40 demonstrates how packaging can be used to show the many usages of the product. Okay? Many usages of the product. Okay? Pricing decisions. Price variable. What consumer must give in exchange for purchase. Remember, marketing is about exchange. What is the consumer is willing to pay, to give up in exchange for the purchase? That's your price, right? What determines price? The many factors that determine price. Right? Cost of making the product. Okay? Demand factors. If there's a higher demand, the prices go higher. Competition. If the more competitions, prices may go lower. Right? Perceived value. If the perceived value is high, like a Rolex brand, a Rolex watch, the price could go up. Okay? And product quality, high quality, premium price. Okay? And advertisement will affect price. Okay? And next, distribution channel. Channel distribution affects is part of your marketing planning program, right? Your marketing channels. What is the marketing channels? Right? It's a refresher of your principal marketing class, marketing channels. But the channels are the independent organizations involved in making a product or service available for use. That's marketing channel. Okay? They are direct channels and indirect channels. What's direct channel? Directly deal with customers. Okay? It's driven by direct selling programs, direct response ads, telemarketing, and internet. You target directly to the consumer. Or you use when selling expensive and complex products. If something is so expensive and complex, you may have to use the direct channel. Okay? Indirect channels, that's for most products, most not so expensive product. And network of wholesalers or retailers or distributors, that's your indirect channels. Okay? And in promotions, then I want promotions, promotional push strategy. Okay, this push strategy and next slide to talk about pull strategy are the things you definitely want to. I need you to grasp, to memorize, and fully understand. It's going to be in your test. Okay, make a note of that. Push strategy. What is a push strategy in promotion? It's a program designed to persuade resellers to stock, merchandise, and promote a manufacturer's products. Basically, your goal here is to persuade your resellers or channels, right, to push these products through to get to the end users, consumers. So push product through channel distribution, right? How do you advertise for? Where do you advertise if you use push strategy? You want to advertise in trade magazines or trade publications, because trade advertising used to motivate the wholesalers and retailers, those middlemen, to purchase product for resale. So push through the channel. Okay. The other one strategy in promotion is called the pull strategy. Pull strategy is sending money on advertising and sales promotion efforts directed towards the ultimate consumer, the end user, consumers, right? The goal here is you let consumers know that you generate demand by the consumers, so you create demand among consumers, and then you encourage consumers to request to go to the retailers to request the product from the retailers. So you basically you go from bottom up. Okay? Pull strategy from bottom up. Push strategy top down. Okay? I think that's all I have for this chapter. Okay, I'll see you again. Talk to you later.